Oh, ho, it's FragWatch. Woo, wow, wow. That attack shock. CMO3. FragWatch here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Attack Shark. Woo, CMO3. So viewer request. This is how it arrived to me. Just totally, like every Attack Shark pad I've received that I've bought has arrived just totally bonkers damaged. Let's see what's inside. This is the CMO3 in the topo color. Did they send me the wrong mouse? They sent me the wrong fucking pad. Does this even come in a topo colorway? Does this even have the fucking model number on it? What? Alright, okay. Dude, is this a CMO2 they sent me? God damn it, man. Are you fucking kidding me? No, it feels faster. You guys are gonna hang out with me while I check. No, this is a CMO2. What? The fuck? Okay. Um. Well, I guess I'll order another one. Fuck. What the fuck?